Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient layered section divider using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide horizontal canvas. First I draw a long rounded rectangle as the divider base. Then I apply a smooth gradient from dark gray to transparent for elegance. After that I duplicate the divider and offset it slightly to create depth. Now I add thin accent lines using lighter gradients for detail. Next I apply soft shadows to separate layers visually. Then I refine edges and spacing to keep the divider subtle. After this I balance opacity so it blends naturally with content. Finally I zoom out and polish the divider until it